Who remembers BlackBerry out there? For years, BlackBerry was the most popular smartphone once upon a time brand in the US, and that was evident based on its stock price. Back in 2008, it hit a high of almost $150, and in 2010, it had over 40% of the smartphone market. However, after failing to adjust to the rapidly changing industry and failing to competitors like Apple and Google, the company pivoted to an entirely different direction. Now it's focused solely on software and cybersecurity, trying to leave the iconic cell phone in the past. Today we got word, whether it's a rumor or not, I'm not sure if it's a rumor, and I'll tell you why. Veritas might be buying the company. Let's get into this article, and then I'll show you why it may not be rumored. So this article is coming from Investor Place. BlackBerry stock alert. It's Veritas Capital about to take over BlackBerry. BlackBerry stock closed up by a strong 18% today on rumors that private equity firm Veritas Capital is considering a takeover of the once upon a time mobile giant. Indeed, while neither company made any outright comment on the possibility, the news is outright bullish for BlackBerry, which has struggled to turn a profit for some time. According to an anonymous source cited by Reuters, Veritas is in the midst of early talks to purchase the Canadian tech company. If you recall, back in May, BlackBerry announced that it would review its assets and consider alternate strategies in order to boost its share value. This included the liquidation of some of its legacy mobile phone patents. In the same month, the firm said it would go through with the sale of patents to Malikie Innovations for up to $900 million. Veritas is carving out a tidy reputation for its company takeovers. Early this year, it acquired energy company Wood Mackenzie, and currently is in the midst of attempting to buy Syneos Health. After jumping today's price is up nearly 20% over the past 5 trading days, representing a 58% gain year to date. So over the past 5 days, the stock has jumped 20%, right? Most of it coming today. That's pretty strong for a company mulling over revenue opportunities. Now, it's unclear whether anything will come out of the Veritas expressed interest in the company. However, Wall Street is taking notice, in particular retail investors. Now, let's see if we could have noticed that this was going to come out, this news event. This is the weekly chart, but we really need to go down to the daily chart to see if we can see okay. So this might actually be a rumor. If it wasn't a rumor, you would see kind of volume coming into the news event. But we don't see that. So it'll be interesting to see if Veritas goes through with the deal. If not, definitely a shorting opportunity. I'm going to scroll back out to the weekly chart. All right, so this is the area that I want to focus on. And we're going to call that weekly sellers at the $6 level. And you can see back in late June, price nearly came into the zone before pulling away. And if you get that opportunity again, could be a shorting opportunity. What I would love to see is another spike into this level, because if you get another extended range green candle, that means that, so like in this example, there are no buyers here. The buyers come in sub 450. So if you get another candle, green candle on the weekly chart like we just had, where price shoots up, that means that there are no buyers, right? The buyers are bidding up. The buyers are chasing price. So price didn't have a chance to establish a level of interest between buyers and sellers. So ideally you want to see another extended range green candle into this level, which would be a great opportunity to short. Back down to the origin of the strong move higher, roughly at 450. However, that's all depending what Veritas decides to do moving forward. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Please like the video.